I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts in VlogNow mobile app, so let's get started. First, what you need to do, open Chrome and then open Google. If you want to use MrBeast style font, just go and search Comica Access font. And I really recommend to use dafont.com to download your font. So open it and simply here you can download the font. Next step is open your application and open your project. And what you need to do first is add some text. So I'm gonna write one click later. And next select your text and click on this F, font. Next step is click add font, import, and then just go to your downloads, click on the sandwich, go downloads, and here is your Comica Access font, and you're gonna use this Comica TTV file. And next just select your font. And this is how can you add custom fonts in VlogNow application. Thank you for watching the video, subscribe and like, and see you in the next one.